Build up engineering skills while building structures with unique foam blocks in Constructures. Students will experiment and discover how to distribute force to create a structurally sound building with these lightweight blocks. Included lesson directions guide students through basic engineering skills like how to build a wall, tower, and a pyramid. Learn as a team how each block impacts the integrity of the entire structure. Students can use the unique keystone blocks to create supported arches too. Made of soft yet durable dense foam, these blocks are easy to stack and quiet when the structure collapses. Have fun enhancing imagination, teamwork, and learning how to build structures with Constructures.